Yes, good morning children. My dear 7th class. Good morning all of you. Okay, we are in exercise 3, fraction chapter, exercise 3, page number 38. Already we finished 5 problems. Today we will go for 6th problem. What is given in the 6th problem? Raja walks 1.5 meters. See your textbooks all of you children, page number 38. Page number 38. Raja walks 1.5 meters in 1 second. In 1 second, how much distance he walked? 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Yes, 1.5 meters. How much distance he walked in 15 minutes? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is question mark. Look at here. See there. Raju walks in 1 second 1.5 meters. In 15 minutes, how many meters he covered means? So what is that? The distance covered in 1 second is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 means what is that? Okay, leave it there. 1.5 meters. In 15 minutes, how much? The distance covered in 15 minutes. Distance covered in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes is question mark. But it's given there in 1 seconds. But they are asking that question. Answer is in 15 minutes. We want to find it in minutes. But given is in seconds they given. In 1 second 1.5 meters means in 15 minutes how much distance he covered. But we want to know first relation between what is the meters and what is the minutes and seconds. And how many seconds for 1 minute. We want to know that one. What is that? 1 minute means how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute means what is that? 60 seconds. This is one. 1 minute is 60 seconds. But 15 minutes means what is that? 15 minutes means 15 minutes is equal to 15 into 60. How much? 900. 15 6 are 90. 900 seconds. So in 1 second 1.5 meter. In 900 seconds how much? Therefore the distance covered in 15 minutes is equal to 900. 15 minutes into 900 into 1.5. That is equal to 900 into 1.5 means 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. 2 ones 2 cancellation. Denominator 2 450s. 2 ones are 2 450s. 453s. 300. 3 5s are 15. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. 1350 meters. Look at here children. 1350 meters. Asking question what is that? In 1 second they also covered the distance in 1 second 1.5 meters. In 15 minutes how long he go? That means what is that? The distance covered in 1 second is 1.5 meters. And second, the distance covered in 15 minutes is question mark. So what is the relation between minutes and second? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. What we know? We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 15 minutes means 15 into 60. What is that? 900 seconds. Now we want to calculate 900 seconds. 900 into 1.5. 900 into 1.5. 900. 1.5 means 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 450s. 450 into 3, 1350 meters. This is the problem to solve of this problem. Okay children? And note it problem, my dear children. Next, 7th problem. Next, 7th one. 6th one children. This is 6th one. Page number 38. 6th one. Now we will go for 7th one. Okay? Seventh one. In seventh one, what is given there? We want to fill up the blanks. Now listen here. Seventh one, 2 by 3 into box is there is equal to 20 by 21. 20 by 21 is there. 20 by 21. 2 by 3 into, they are given a box is equal to 20 by 21. Is asking that what fraction should multiply with the 2 by 3 to get 20 by 21. But here 2 is there, and again here numerator get it 20 is there, and 2, what number should multiply with the 2 to get 20? 10. 2 tens are 20 by, and what number multiply with the 3 to get 27? 3 sevens 21. So 2 by 3 is multiplied with the 10 by 7 to get 20 by 21. And second problem is there. What is the given second problem in this one? This is first problem. And second problem, 5 by 7 into one more box is there by 5 is there. And here as 3 is numerator is given. What is that denominator? What is that denominator? Now look at here. Children, here, once, look at here, 5 by 7 is there. What should multiply with 5 to get 3? Like here also, what is the denominator to multiplication? Look at here, children, no one number is there with multiplication of 5 to get 3. So here this is multiplication. Already I told that one. What I told that one? Same numerator denominator to be cancellation. But 5 is the numerator and 5 1 more 5 the denominator cancel. Here 1, here 5 ones are 5 ones. Now listen here. Here 1 is there. That answer is, what is the answer is given? 3 is there. What number should multiply with 1 to get 3? 3. Now here 7 into 1. What is that? 7. That means 5 by 7 into 3 by 1 to get is equal to 3 by 7. This is the answer for that. Okay, children. And exercise 3 is finished. Now we will go for that. Next exercise. Exercise 4. Okay, children. This is one. Our understanding of 2 by 3. What fraction should multiply with 2 by 3 to get 20 by 21? 10 by 7. And like that 5 by 7. What should multiply with to get 3 by 7 means? So 5 cancel. That means what is that? 1 3s are 3. 7 1s are 7 to them. Okay, children, now we'll go for that. Exercise 4. Exercise 4 and page number after that. Exercise 4, page number 43. 43. Okay. Before we go into the exercise 3, we want to know what is the reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. We want to know that one. Reciprocal of fraction means what? Reciprocal of fraction is suppose I am asking what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? Look at, children. Reciprocal of fraction means just for interchanging of numerator and denominator is called reciprocal of a fraction. Once again I tell you what is the reciprocal of fraction of 2 by 3 means. Whatever is the fraction, just interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of fraction of 2 by 3 means numerator, what is that? 2. What is the denominator? 3 is there. Reciprocal means the denominator will go for the place of numerator and numerator comes to the denominator place. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Like that it will coming. What is the reciprocal of a fraction means? Reciprocal of fraction means just for interchanging of the numerator denominator of a fraction is called reciprocal of fraction. And so again I will change it. What is the reciprocal of a fraction, children? Just for this changing of numerator, interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called reciprocal of a fraction. Interchanging of numerator and denominator of a fraction is called reciprocal of fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction. This is called. Just for 2 by 3 means what is that? 3 by 2. For example, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 3? 1 by 3 means what is that? 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means what is that? 3 only. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Alage reciprocal of 3 is 3 means what is that? Reciprocal of 3 means what is the reciprocal of 3? 3 means 3 by 1. That is reciprocal. What will get it? 1 by 3. 3 means what is that? We can write 3 as 3 by 1. Its reciprocal, what will happen? Denominator, numerator, denominator. 1 by 3 will come in. This is called reciprocal of fraction. Next, what is that? Next topic is division of fractions. Next. Division a number by a fraction. Division by a number. Division a number by a fraction. How it? Look at it here. For example, 7 is number. Division by 1 by 4 is there. 2 by 4. 7 divided by 2 by 4. But division of a number by a fraction means very simple. The multiplication of a number with reciprocal of the fraction. 7. The division convert into multiplication. Once if division is converted into multiplication, immediately what will happen means the immediate fraction, the next fraction will be converted into the reciprocal. Why? Because division can change into multiplication. The next fraction, it becomes a reciprocal, 4 by 2. The 2 by 4 means 4 by 2 will come in next. Division of a number by a fraction means multiplication of a number with its reciprocal of a fraction. Division by a number, division a number by a fraction means multiplication of a number with reciprocal of that fraction. Reciprocal of that 2 by 4 means 4 by 2. 7 into 4 by 2. That means it won't be cancellation. 7 4s are 28 by 2. Then otherwise here you can see 2 1s, 2 4 is 28. That is equal to 14. Here also to be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 7 2s are 14. Directly you can write it. Otherwise 7 4s are 28 by 2. That is equal to 14. Like that. So division of fractions, how can you convert it? Means the division should be changed into the division symbol can change into multiplication. Once if we change the division as multiplication, the next fraction it should be reciprocal. It becomes a reciprocal. Then you can multiply and cancel it. For example, this is example. One more example. Second example. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4 is there. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. This one, how can you convert it? How can you do the problem? Listen here. How can you solve this? 1 by 2. The division should be changed into multiplication. Once if we change the division as a multiplication, then immediately the next fraction becomes reciprocal. 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Now, what is the cancellation? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 1 2s are 2 by 1 3 is 3. 2 by 3 it will come. This is the way of that one. Like that. This is the division of fractions, children. Next, we'll go for that. Exercise 4. Exercise 4. Once you observe these all children, all of you, be careful. Next, exercise 4. Exercise 4. First problem. Exercise 4, first problem. They are asking, find. What is that asking there? Question. Find the reciprocal of each. Find the reciprocal of each fraction. Find the reciprocal of each fractions. Each fraction. Number 1. What is that? 5 by 8. Reciprocal of 5 by 8 is equal to what you get? 8 by 5. What is that? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means it's simply interchanging of numerator denominators. Numerator goes to the denominator, denominator goes to the numerator. Next, second one. Reciprocal of 8 by 7. Reciprocal of 8 by 7 is equal to what is that? 7 by 8. Like that. Third one. Reciprocal of 13 by 7. 13 by 7 means 7 by 8. Next, fourth one. Second one, first one, second one, third one, and fourth one is given there. 3 by 4. Reciprocal of 3 by 4 is equal to what you get that? 4 by 3 will come in. This is the reciprocal of fraction. The simple reciprocal of fraction is simply interchanging of numerator denominator is called reciprocal of a fraction. Okay children, now we will go for that second Roman. What is given there? Second Roman. Second Roman. Second Roman. Find. There are 4 problems are there. I will go for that. Second and third one. Second one. 8 divided by 7 by 3. 8 divided by 7 by 3. Already I told now, what you get that 8 divided by means 8. The divided by can change into multiplication as multiplication. Once if we change the division as multiplication, then immediately what is the action is going on here? That next fraction, it should be reciprocal. That means 7 by 3 means 3 by 7. Is there any cancellation? No, it won't be cancellation 8 and 7 or 3 and 7. Now, what is the multiplication of 8 3s are? 8 into 3? 24 by 7. By 7 is there. Like that. One more. Third problem. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. This is, how can you change it? 3 divided by, listen, 3 into, first you can write the same divided by. The mixed fraction can convert into improper fraction. So 2 1 by 3 means 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now here 3 into 7 by 3 means it change 3 by 7. That is equal to 3 3s are 9 by 7. This is called 9 by 7. Okay children, and fourth problem is homework. I will give that one. 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. 3 4 by 7. You can change the fourth problem. And first problem is 18 divided by 3 by 4. This is also homework and this is also homework. First and fourth problem homework. Second and third problem I told here. You can through this one, you can do that first one and fourth one. Okay children? Nice. Thank you very much.